I'm going to show you how to change your propane regulator. Keep watching the video. Welcome back, it's Jeff Lepard from DoItAllSealing.com, and on this channel we do paving, concrete repairs, driveway sealing, and so much more. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. I'm getting ready to change the propane regulator on my 100-pound propane tank, which fires my hot asphalt carrier, hot box. So the reason why I'm doing that is this regulator, there's nothing wrong with it. It actually works, but the everything's really stiff and it's getting old. Even the knob to control the pressure is seized. It's stuck on the full pressure position, and I have no control over the knob or the regulator anymore. Rather than trying to take vice grips and to, maybe some WD-40 to try to loosen it up, I'm going to change it with an updated regulator. This is a 0 to 30 PSI propane regulator, and of course this is the older style. You can see the knob, which works quite fine, and this style has a very smooth dial so that I can increase or decrease the pressure. So that's what I like about this. It's brand new, so I'm going to swap that out so I have more control over the PSI of propane that's going to be going to my torches. Don't forget, if you want to get one of these regulators, I'm going to leave a link down below in the video description for you to get one. Ready to get started now to disassemble the old propane regulator. Tools you might need an adjustable wrench or channel locks, and you'll definitely need some Teflon tape. That should get you through to completely remove and install the new propane regulator. So I'm going to use these channel locks first of all to take this off, and keep in mind with these nuts, you're going to be turning it the opposite way as you normally would. You're actually going to be almost like you're tightening it, but you're not. That's clockwise is loosening it. So I'm just going to get it loose, and I'm just going to use my hand to take this completely off the propane tank, like so. Next, I'm going to disconnect the regulator from the propane hoses valves. So I'm just going to, if yours is tight, you may have to give it a bit of a pull. Okay, and I'm just going to untwist that all the way until it's free. So I have my attachment. Just going to put that on, and I'm going to screw this and right to there. Now the last thing to do is to connect it to the propane tank and test out the burners to make sure everything is working. And you also want to make sure you check to make sure there's no leaks. I'm going to leave a link in the video description for you to get one of these 0 to 30 PSI propane regulators. So that's it. That's how you install a regulator on a propane tank. Just want to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, bash that bell to turn notifications on for all upcoming videos. Share the video, like the video, leave a comment down below. We'll see you next time on the next video. Jeff Lepard, DoItAllSealing.com. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.